Baby, what are you saying about the pregnancy now? Talk something now. What are we going to do?
Which one be say waiting and they talk about the pregnancy? I never give you money. Maybe I don't give.
Hello my people, I greet the followers from Untouchable Mama. Also na dey fine. Una do well as una take help me take dey share, comment, like. God go bless una. Really appreciate una well well. Without una no be me. My people, wonder shall never end. Hey, una just lis ten to this audio. I go pull the full audio for una. More una just sit down, lis ten to wetin this girl dey talk come out for mouth. Me, I be the thing say this kind thing na only Europe before dey happen o. I don't know say e still dey for Africa o. This girl now, e don take in for this boyfriend, say dem don dey for 7 good years. Na so she dey remove belle for this man, and this man no ready to even say he wan marry am. Na why, who go settle this matter? Now she don get belle again. Na he go tell the boyfriend say I get belle. Na the man tell am say okay, wetin go happen? I go give you 100,000 make you go remove the belle. I never ready for now. My people, after 7 years wey you dey stay with girl, the girl dey remove belle all the time for you, you never still ready. The worst part of it, the girl even dey beg am. He said the 100,000 wey he just put for him head, make dem just join small money put, make the man just go pay bride price. Hey, now wow, I think say na only abroad this kind thing dey happen, where you see say woman go dey tell man say make we just go marry, make we just go marry. You wey be woman, you dey tell man say mona just go marry, and e never come for the man mind. You no know say you go too suffer for the house, you go too suffer for the marriage o. No be say na lie o, no be say na moin. 7 years, he no tell you say he wan marry you, nothing. Anytime wey you get belle, he go tell you say make you go remove am. He never ready. Na so this girl come dey talk say okay, wetin go happen now? Since you give me the money, I no wan remove am. The man tell am say if you no remove am, you are your own. He no get time for you. If you just born, you just born pikin without he no get papa. Hey, now wow, wetin dey do some of our girls nowadays? Na by force to born for man, no be by force o. Take a bath yourself first before you dey tell man say make una you get belle, you wan just born am. E suppose make man dey beg you say born for me, no be you go dey force the man. Because some of all these people wey be say dem dey force man dey born for them, then they end up in single mother. No be lie, dem come dey blame the man say why you no go take care of your pikin wey be say you no think am to even born, you no want make you born for am. How you go force am? Can you imagine if maybe na this man now, na that kind people go say okay, problem no dey, me I just do am kpakpakpa, but he go dey cheat on you, you go dey cry for inside house. Which kind marriage be that one, my people? Me I no understand o. Some of our people more na wise up, more na wise, more na no dey let men dey run, because now we women dey decide say we wan get belle. Now we women still dey decide say we no wan get now. Why you wan use pikin take tie the man? Can you imagine, my people? Me I put the audio for now, but more na help me.
Baby, what are you saying about the pregnancy now? Talk something now. What are we going to do?
Which one be say waiting and they talk about the pregnancy? I never give you money. Maybe I don't give you money, say make you go comot am. Which one did they tell me about again? Wetin be this kind problem?
Hey, baby, abortion again. Remember, this is the 6th pregnancy. I've done 5 abortions for you. Why are you treating me like this? Now just come and marry me now, please. What's all this one? This is our 7 years of dating, and you're telling me to go and remove another abortion. Please. Baby, don't do this, please. And you said you love me. Just come and pay my bride price.
Which one be make I come marry you? Which one be 6 abortion? You never see some girls where they do plenty abortion for their boyfriend. See, in talking about marriage, I never ready. He won't spoil my career. He won't spoil my career. Make I come marry you now. Now like this, the thing they take start. When would they do am here? I tell you say make I use condom. He say no. He dey like am raw. Anything what put, you don't carry belle. Don't carry. You don't know what other girls they do. You know if you buy drugs after this thing. They come, they worry me now. I don't give you money or nothing. No, they worry me. No, I go block you. If you no go use your brain. I don't tell you say, give me some time, make her raise money. I go come marry you. No before now. I say no before now. Go abort the baby. No, they worry me. Marriage differ for my side.
Baby, please consider me now, eh? Consider me. I cannot abort this baby. I'm going to keep this baby. I'm keeping this baby. I cannot abort this baby. Eh? Please now. Please.
Now who you want to keep? You keep that for yourself. Oh. Keep that baby for yourself. No be for me. As he did now, anything for the baby, keep him. As he did now, you don't tell me say 100,000 now you need for the abortion. I don't give you the 100,000. So make you go abort him. No, they carry baby, can't worry me. I see me now, I see the, you know, say, now you even the water me, says, now I don't do, now I can't, they come and hook me, no hook me, this one, new year, now, never even reach, which day we will do this thing, no be 24 December, now you can't come, see, day your day, no come my lane, no.
Let me bring this suggestion. That 100,000, make I give you the 100,000. They come our house, come pay small thing, like just do small thing with that 100,000. Instead of going to abort this baby, eh? What if now abort this baby I die, or abort this baby now I no fit come born again? Please now consider me. Don't do this to me, please.
Which one be make you keep the 100,000? Make I use and can't do something for the house, eh? Make or could kill you there. You want make her come become papa, untimely papa. Which one be make her see? Keep the money for yourself. Abort the baby. That is fine now. See, short. I go block you now. Which kind of thing? You know say get business what they run now. No, they allow me to get baby. Eh? Tomorrow they call me for pampers. They call me for milk. No be like this. See, other guys now they are making money. It's not baby. We are not talking about baby here. We are talking about money. The 100,000 is for yourself. I know 100,000 naira big for you to do abortion. Use 100,000, then use that one. Come hold yourself. Use and hold yourself. Then you anytime when you come for the if you want to visit me, we go use condom. No be say you will come anytime something you don't enter. Anytime something you don't enter. No, I will block you now if I see any message from you.
Anyway, my people, una do well, so una help me watch. I'm gonna help me share am. E no good make woman dey use pikin take dey hold man, because you go suffer am. You and the pikin go suffer am well, because the man no get the kind, no get that love for you, even for that pikin, you know. Because if man no want pikin, you use pikin take hold am. Now you go take care of that pikin till e go grow. You go marry a choice person wey be say he might carry. But you as a woman, you need to understand, if man no really need to stay with you, una bye bye my people. I appreciate